do something simple. This is literally 2 colors, I believe I mixed in. 2 or 3 colors from the Naked Cherry palette. Just something simple, something easy. So welcome, enjoy, subscribe if you would like to. We're gonna start with this brush I got from Amazon. That works well, was cheap, quality is good. So we're gonna go ahead and I already primed my lid. The primer that I actually use, I really like it because it's a 360 primer, which means you can also prime your under eyes, and that's how it looks. It just rolls out. You roll it around, and it's really nice. It's really soft and refreshing, especially because I have under eye bags because of allergies. This helps a lot too, so the makeup down here doesn't get deep. All right. So today I'm going to use the Naked palette, the Urban Decay Naked palette, the Cherry. Love this palette. Can create a lot of looks with it. I'm going to go ahead and do the all over color that I want to use. I'm going to use Bing. And I'll definitely link everything below, like that you know what brushes I'm using and all that. Start with Bing all over. Now, initially when I first started doing makeup, I thought that you had to start like with a light color. But it really depends on what look you're trying to go for. Personally, I want something more just cherry type of inspiration, I guess. Something more night look. I'm just gonna do that all over, very gently. Blend it out. Again, it's gonna be a really simple, easy look. This brush is Amazon brush that I got. Really love this brush. Works well. Super cheap. It comes in a pack of, I think, like a couple of the brushes, like 16 brushes. And yeah, this works really good. Does the job. That's one of the things that when I first started doing makeup, I noticed that a lot of people would mention, or a lot of beauty gurus would mention all these awesome products and awesome brushes, and I did not have money to buy those kind of brushes because I was in middle school, high school, and I just wanted something, you know, fun to play around with at the time, or, you know, start makeup or doing my makeup. But with those ridiculous brushes and the prices that they, you know, would cost, I wouldn't be able to buy brushes. And I think the biggest thing with brushes too, as long as it applies the makeup nicely and you notice that it goes on nicely, and then obviously you also have to just blend it out. That's all that really matters. I'm also going to go ahead and use the same brush. I'm going to do a darker color. I'm going to do Devilish. Go ahead and put Devilish in the lid. I'm going to put it right here. I just want to make that a little more darker. Again, I'm going more for a night look. I'm going to go out with my friend. I haven't gone out in forever because of school and work. Been focusing on school and work, but since I have a little break, I'm gonna go out tonight. Now it looks a little crazy, but it's okay. So what you want to do is just put it on the lid, put it on there, and we'll blend it in a minute. Don't worry. You go on this side, do the same thing. I have no idea why it looks so pretty right now. Alright. Once you're done blending it in the lid, there you go. Now it looks crazy. Now, what I want to do, it's a Sephora brush. Had this forever. It's a Pro Blending brush, large 27, but it's a good brush. Had it forever. Now I just want to go ahead and blend. So the biggest thing with eyeshadows is how you blend it, and that's when you're gonna get that really nice finish. So again, I wanted to go more for a darker look. I'm gonna bring it out a little more, like that. That's gonna come together, but I want more of a rounded look. I'm gonna put some in the bottom as well. Sorry, I was covering the camera. And just blend, 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 blend. I'm doing this really softly. It looks hard, but literally, I just want to go. Just blend it. You can blend it all together. And I'm just coming up with this whole look as I go. Now I'm going this side. do the same thing. I already put lipstick on. My lips were dry. They look crazy. It's just Estee Lauder lipstick that I have. It was a gift for Christmas. It works pretty good. Oops. All right, let's keep blending, 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 blending. I'm gonna grab the same brush and go a little bit over again. Still want this one a little darker. There we go. And then, of course, the color itself and how dark you want it, it's up to you. The biggest thing again is blending out really well. Once you're done blending, something like that, we're still not done. I'm gonna go ahead and put the envelope on the lid. I'll just go ahead and put that. You can do it with a brush or you can do it with your finger. I'll go ahead and do it with my finger. Push the envelope. Put it on the lid. It's more of a copperish cherry color. So tap, 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 tap. Bring it up a little bit because it's more of a glittery color. And we'll go on this side. Do the same thing. Grab your blender brush. This is actually a Morphe brush. You can use the same one you were using before if you want to. No need to switch it up if you don't want to. Just tap it a little bit. Get on your arm just to take off any excess shadow. And now you just want to blend it. So you want to do very softly blend it in. I love this really cherry pinkish copperish color. It's really pretty. Smudge brush, same thing. It's from Sephora. I like their brushes. They're inexpensive and they work really well. They're very nice for this one. It picks up the powder very well. But this palette really doesn't need much help. It's very pigmented. For some reason this side's more hooded. Anyway, but I'm used to putting my eyebrows up. It's just a habit now, so it doesn't seem like it, but it is, and that's another reason why I like to bring the shadow up a bit higher as well. Now I can do a video on that, basically go a little bit more into that. Alright, bring it out, bring it out. And we're just gonna do the other eye as well. The same beauty blender that you used for your foundation, or either a beauty blender if that's what you used, or I normally don't really use a beauty blender unless I have enough time to really work it into the skin, otherwise work my foundation in, otherwise it's just gonna look very cakey. You can go ahead and blend that out so it doesn't have that sharp cut. You can do the same on the other side. I normally do my eyeshadow first and then I do my foundation, and like that I can avoid the whole fallout from my eyeshadow into my foundation. But today there wasn't a lot of fallout. That's a good thing about tapping the brush when you are trying to put it on your eyes, like that you don't get any additional fallout. I'm gonna use Tarte's Tarte to do my liner. Alright, so again, because I do have hooded eyes, I like to keep the liner very thin. You know, camera, it's kind of hard to do that. Anyway, so let's go ahead and do that. And just line your lower lashes. And you can do a cat eye if you want. So, you know what I do here, I just go ahead and go with that line like that. Okay, then obviously I'll just go ahead and thin it out. I do want a higher line today. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be back. Because I already have two caterpillars, I just use the Benefits Give Me Brow. Sorry guys, I keep looking at the camera. Yep. What can I say? Pretty new at this. Oh, I haven't done my mascara. I'm not gonna put false lashes today. The Benefit Roller Lash, and I got a small one because I didn't know if I was gonna like it. And it came in with the kit with this one as well. And I like them both. They're really nice. I really like Benefits. They have really good brow gel and mascara, and I actually like their liner better than the Tarte one. Do my bottom. Let's do the other one. We're done. Actually, not really. I still need my setting powder. I'm gonna use the Kat Von D powder. Not too much. If you get cakey really fast, you don't want to do that. Try to keep it as light as possible. Literally, I just get the access from the top of this one right here. And when you're putting powder, setting powder under the eyes, try not to make any sudden movement. And stay just like that for a minute. Just kidding. Comment below what you would like to see next. Like if you like the video and subscribe. See you next time. Peace.